Hi everyone! Crafty sent me a big paint by numbers kit to try out. I don't often use acrylic paint, but I couldn't resist trying this one. And new art supplies. Yes, please! Now let's see what comes in the box. This square one is 40 centimeters. It's on a canvas and wood frame and it's ready to hang. It even comes with the hardware bits. A reference page for when you need to check the number colors. Number stickers for the paint pots. A color guide. And of course the acrylic paints. There's a holder for the paint pots and a set of brushes, and that's it. Everything you need to get started. The box has some useful tips on it, and it turns into an easel just by folding the lid down. What a great way to reuse the packaging. If you want to try out a paint by numbers kit, you can use my promo code and link. That's also in the description below. Now to get set up. I like 2 jars of water, one for dirty water and one for cleaner water. And these mason jars are heavy, so it's less likely to tip over. It comes with some extra paint pots. They did a good job keeping the paints numbered and organized. Just match up the numbers and apply stickers to the lids. This one has 24 colors. If you're new to painting, you might not know that brushes are coated with something hard to protect them. Gum arabic, I think. And this easily washes out in water, so I always do this before I paint with new brushes. This gorgeous original painting was made by Penelope Hunter, and I love that they support independent artists. This reminds me of those adult coloring books, which I love, so this is going to be so fun. Use a damp brush to start. Then if you're right-handed, start at the top left side and work towards the right and bottom. I'm left-handed, so starting at the top right and working down and to the left. This will prevent your hand from smudging wet paint. They give some useful tips on the inside of the box. Generally start with the lightest colors, because dark paint can cover light more easily. So I'm starting with one light color. I might use nearby colors if I feel like a change. You can do it in whatever order you like, just have fun with it and enjoy the process. It's best to take lots of breaks, so every session is fresh and fun. But remember to quickly clean your brushes when you stop. Oh, this brings back memories. It makes me feel like a kid again. I remember when I was little, getting in my grandpa's old blue truck and going to Canadian Tire together. That's kind of like a hardware store with everything else too. He would leave me in the art and craft aisle and let me pick out an art kit while he went off to get grandpa stuff. And I often chose a paint by numbers set. Now this is like the adult upgraded version and it's so exciting. I've picked a painting that has big brush strokes, so this might make it easier. I'm going over the red line to cover it up. Don't worry if you go over the line and cover up another number by accident. That's what the reference page is for. The last color you do on that edge can be the most careful, or keep it loose and brush strokey like the original painting. I'm also reusing the plastic packaging from the paint pots as a palette, so I can take out a small bit of paint to work with and close the lid so it doesn't start to dry. Then I can add a tiny bit of water to my blob of paint when it needs it. Oh, look at that color. Okay, I'm going to put on some music and get into it.